Hello, welcome to my class. In the last class, we discussed some questions from question papers from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. In this video also, we are going to discuss the same. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the question is, find the middle term of the AP 213, 205, 197, etc. 37. So what is A here? First term is 213 and D equal to 205 minus 213, which is equal to minus 8. To find middle term, we have to find how many terms are there in the AP, right? So here last term is 37, which means AN we can take as 37. And what is AN? It is A plus N minus 1 into D, which is equal to 37. So from this we can find N because we know A as well as D. So this implies A is 213 plus N minus 1 into minus 8 is equal to 37, which implies 213 minus 8n plus 8 is equal to 37, and this implies 221 minus 8n equal to 37, which implies minus 8n is equal to 37 minus 221, and this means minus 8n is equal to minus 184. So n is equal to minus 184 by minus 8, which is equal to 8 we can cancel this, and 8 will go in 18 2 times, 2 remainder, then 24 by 8 is 3. So we got n as 23. So there are 23 terms in this AP. So what is the middle term? Middle term is n plus 1 by 2. That is 23 terms are there, means 11 are there here, 11 are there here, 22 are there, and this is 23rd term. So the middle term is 12th term, or we can find like this also, n plus 1 by 2. By the formula n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 24 by 2, and that is equal to 12. So middle term is 12. Now we have to find the middle term. A12 is equal to A plus 11D, which is equal to 213 plus 11 into minus 8. Right? Now this is equal to 213 minus 88, which is equal to 125. So 12th term or the middle term here is 125. Okay. Next one, find the values of A, B and C such that the numbers A, 10, B, C, 31 are in AP. So, if this is in AP, first term is A and second term is A plus D, right? A plus N minus 1 into D, that is A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is A plus D. And here we got A plus D as 10. And what is the last term? It is fifth term. Fifth term means A plus 4D. A plus 4D equal to 31. Now, subtracting this equation 1 from equation 2, we will get 3D equal to 21. So, what is D here? D here is 21 by 3, which is equal to 7. So, we got D as 7. And A plus D equal to 10. A plus D equal to 10 means A equal to 10 minus D, that is 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3. So we got the value of A as 3. 3, 10 are the first and second terms. Now we have to find this B and C. What is B? It will be, common difference is 7. So B will be 10 plus 7, which is 17. And C will be 17 plus 7, which is 24 and 31. So we can write B equal to 10 plus 7 equal to 17 and C equal to 17 plus 7 equal to 24. And A we got as 3. So the values of A, B, C here are 3, 17 and 24. Next question, find the 20th term of an AP whose third term is 7 and 7th term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. Also find the nth term. So 20th term of an AP we have to find whose third term is 7. Third term is 7 means a plus 2b equal to 7. Seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. What is seventh term? It is a plus 60. Exceeds 3 times the third term. That is a plus 3b minus 21. 3 times third term is 21. So a plus 60 minus 21 is equal to 2. This exceeds 3 times the third term. 3 times third term is 7 into 3 by 2. So, seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. Okay. So, a plus 6d, we got a plus 6d equal to 21 plus 2 which is 23. So, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, subtracting 1 from 2 will get 4d equal to 23 minus 7 is 16. So, d equal to 16 by 4 which is equal to 4. So, we got d as 4. Now substituting d here, we will get a plus 4 into 2, that is 8 equal to 7. So a equal to 7 minus 8 which is equal to minus 1. Now what we have to find is 20th term. What is 20th term? A20 is equal to a plus 19d which is equal to minus 1 plus 19 into 4. 4d is 4. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 4 nines are 36, 3 carry 1 into 4, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So this is equal to 75. 20th term is 75. Now we have to find nth term, an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d which is equal to a is minus 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 4 which is equal to minus 1 plus 4n minus 4 which is equal to 4n minus 5. So what is the nth term here? It is 4n minus 5. Okay. Next one, if 7th term of an AP is 1 by 9 and 9th term is 1 by 7, find 63rd term. 7th term is 1 by 9 means a plus 6d is equal to 1 by 9 and 9th term is 1 by 7 means a plus 8d is equal to 1 by 7. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, we have 2d equal to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 which is equal to 9 minus 7 by 7 into 9 which is 2 by 63. So what is d? D is equal to 2 by 63 divided by 2, that is into 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled which means d equal to 1 by 63. So we got d as 1 by 63. Now we can find a from this. A plus 6 into 1 by 63 is equal to 1 by 9. So what is A? A equal to 1 by 9 minus 6 by 63. This is 6 by 63. So taking this to the right hand side, we will get this as minus 6 by 63. 1 by 9 minus 6 by 63. What is LCM here? It is 63 because 9 sevens are 63. So if we take LCM, we will get this as 7 minus 6 by 63 which is equal to 1 by 63. So A is 1 by 63 and D is 1 by 63. Now find the 63rd term. So what is 63rd term? A 63 equal to A plus 62D which is equal to 1 by 63 plus 62 into 1 by 63 which is equal to 1 plus 62 by 63, right? That is, we will get this as, this is equal to 1 by 63 plus 62 by 63. Here 63 is the LCM, so we can take it as 1 plus 62 by 63 and which is equal to 63 by 63 and that is equal to 1. So 63rd term of this AP is 1. Understood? Next one, ninth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the second term and 12th time exceeds 5 times the third term by 2. Find the first term and common difference. Ninth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the second term. A9 is equal to A plus 8D and second term, that is A2 equal to A plus D. And here ninth term is equal to 7 times the second term. So A plus 8D is equal to 7 times A plus D, which means A plus 8D minus 7A minus 7 equal to minus 7D equal to 0. And that means minus 6A plus D equal to 0. So let this be equation 1. And 12th term exceeds 5 times the third term by 2. That is A plus 11D minus 5 times the third term, A plus 2D is equal to 2. So simplifying this, we'll get A plus 11D minus 5A minus 10D equal to 2. Which means minus 4A plus D equal to 2. Let this be equation 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, we'll get this, we can subtract minus 6A plus D equal to 0. So we'll get this as 2A equal to 2, which means A equal to 1. So we have found out the first term, which is 1. Now we have to find the common difference. So we can substitute in any equation. So we have minus 6A plus D equal to 0. Substituting 1 for A, we will have minus 6 plus D equal to 0, which means D equal to minus 6. Bring minus 6 to the right hand side, we will get this as 6. So the first term here is 1 and common difference is 6. Okay. 28th question. The pth, qth and rth terms of an AP are A, B and C respectively. Show that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q equal to 0. So pth, qth and rth terms. What is nth term? It is A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So let here A, B and C are given. So we cannot take first term as A. So let us take first term as A dash. Let A dash be the first term of the AP. Now A is the pth term, which means A equal to A dash plus P minus 1 into D. And B is qth term, which means B equal to A dash plus Q minus 1 into D. And C is rth term. So A dash plus R minus 1 into D. Okay. Now show that A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into P minus Q equal to 0. So let us find what is A into Q minus R. A into Q minus R is equal to this into Q minus R, which is A dash plus P minus 1 into D into Q minus R. Right? So first we have to multiply this by Q minus R and this term by Q minus R, which is equal to A dash into Q minus R plus P minus 1 into D into Q minus R, which is equal to A dash Q minus A dash R plus this we can take as PD minus D into Q minus R, which is equal to A dash Q minus A dash R plus PDQ minus PDR minus DQ plus DR. So we got A into Q minus R as this. Now B into R minus P. What is B into R minus P? It is A dash plus Q minus 1 into D into R minus P, which is equal to A dash into R minus P plus Q minus 1 into D into r minus p, and that is equal to a dash r minus a dash p plus qd minus d into r minus p. Okay, now this is equal to a dash r minus a dash p plus qdr minus qdp minus dr plus dp. Okay, now c into p minus q. What is c into p minus q? C into p minus, again, and what is c into p minus q? C into p minus q is equal to a dash plus r minus 1 into d into p minus q, and that is equal to a dash into p minus q plus r minus 1 into d into p minus q, which is equal to a dash p minus a dash q plus rd minus d into p minus q, and that is equal to a dash p minus a dash q plus rdp minus rdq minus dp plus dq. So, we can add this a into q minus r plus d into r minus p plus c into p minus q. So, we will get a into q minus r, a into q minus r plus d into r minus p plus c into p minus q is equal to this plus this plus this. So, we will get as a dash q minus a dash r plus pdq minus pdr minus dq plus dr, then this plus a dash r minus a dash p, then plus qdr, then minus qdp minus dr plus dp, then plus a dash p minus a dash q plus rdp minus rdq minus dp plus dq. Okay, and a dash q minus a dash q will get cancelled. Then a dash r is here and minus a dash r, and a dash p and minus a dash p. Then pdq and this pdq and minus pdq. Then minus pdr and this is pdr plus pdr. So this will get cancelled. pdr and plus rdp same as plus pdr. Okay. Now plus dp and minus dp and plus dq and minus dq. Then plus dr minus dr. Then one more term is there, qdr and minus qdr. So all these will get cancelled, which means this is equal to 0. That is a into q minus r plus b into r minus p plus c into p minus q is equal to 0. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Next question, determine an AP whose third term is 9 and when fifth term is subtracted from 8th term we get 6. Third term is 9 means a plus 2d equal to 9. This is the first equation. And when fifth term is subtracted from 8th term we get 6. That is fifth term subtracted from 8th term, a plus 7d minus a plus 4d is equal to 6. Okay, now a plus 7d minus a minus 4d equal to 6, which means 7d minus 4d, that is 3d. 3d equal to 6 and that means d equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So, d equal to 2. Now substituting that here, a plus 2d, 2 into 2 is equal to 9. That is, substituting this d in equation 1, we'll get a plus 2 into 2 equal to 4. That is, a plus 4 equal to 9, which means a equal to 5. So first term is 5 and common difference is 2. So what is AP? So the AP is 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, etc. Okay. Next one, divide 56 into 4 parts in AP such that ratio of the product of their extremes, that is product of first and fourth, to the product of means, that is product of second and third, is 5:6. So given that 56, divide 56 into 4 parts such that they are in AP. Okay. And ratio of product of extremes first and fourth to the product of means, that is second and third, is 5:6. So they are in AP and we have to divide 56 into 4 parts. So let the AP be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. This is in AP because d, common difference is the same. A plus d minus, that is a minus d minus a, minus of a minus 3d is a minus d minus a plus 3d, which is equal to 2d. Common difference here is 2d. Then if we take this, a plus d minus a minus d, which is equal to a plus d minus a minus a plus d. This is also 2d. Common difference is 2d. Now a plus 3d minus a plus d, which is equal to a plus 3d minus a minus d, which is also equal to 2d. So we can take the terms as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. So let the terms of the AP be, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. Now sum of these 4 terms is 56, right? Because we are dividing 56 into 4 parts and the AP thus obtained is a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. So their sum is equal to 56. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equal to 56, which means 4a, then minus 3d minus d is minus 4d and plus d plus 3d is plus 4d. Minus 4d plus 4d is 0. So 4a equal to 56, which means a equal to 56 by 4 and that is equal to 14. So we got a as 14. Now what are the terms? So the terms of the AP are 14 minus 3d, 14 minus d, then 14 plus d and 14 plus 3d. So the AP is 14 minus 3d, 14 minus d, 14 plus d and 14 plus 3d. And given that ratio of product of extremes to product of means is 5:6. So extremes, product of extremes is 14 minus 3d into 14 plus 3d and product of means is 14 minus d into 14 plus d and that is equal to 5/6. So we can write this as a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So we'll get this as 196 minus 9d square and we'll get this as 196 minus d square, right? And that is equal to 5/6. Now cross multiplying we'll get 6 into 196 minus 9d square is equal to 5 into 196 minus d square, which means 6 into 196. 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 57, 5 carry, 1 into 6 6, 6 plus 5 11. So 1176 minus 6 9s are 54. So 54 d square equal to 5 into 196. 5 6 are 30. 3 carry. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 48. 4 carry. 1 into 5 5. 5 plus 4 9. 980. 980 minus 5 d square. Okay. Now, bringing this minus 54 d square to the right hand side, we will get 54 minus 5 d square, which is 49 d square. And bringing this to the left hand side, we will get 1176 minus 980, which is 196. So, d square is equal to 196 by 49. And 49 will go in 196 4 times. Okay, so d is plus or minus 2. That is d equal to root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2. So we got d as plus or minus 2. So the AP is, we can take d as positive. So 14 minus 3 into 2 is 14 minus 6, which is 8. Then 14 minus 2, 12. Then 14 plus 2, 16. And 14 plus 6, which is 20. And if we take minus 2, we will get a minus 3 into minus 2, which is a plus 6. That is 14 plus 6. We will get the reverse. That is 20, 16, 12 and 8. Same. So, this 56 can be divided into 4 parts as the numbers 8, 12, 16 and 20. And this is an AP. Okay, understood? So, we are taking this A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D because all these have equal common difference. All these terms have equal common difference. Okay, understood? Next one, sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n. Find the AP, hence find its 15th term. Sum of n terms of an AP, that is Sn. Sn equal to 3n square plus 5n. And nth term an can be found as Sn minus 1. That is, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. is an AP, right? And Sn, what is Sn here? We can take 3 terms. What is Sn here? Sn equal to 1 plus 2, that is sum of n terms. 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. And what is Sn minus 1? That is sum of n minus 1 terms, which is sum of this 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now, Sn minus 1 is Sn minus 1 is 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. And that is the last term, right? So, this is an or tn. So, we can write an or tn or L as Sn minus 1, which is equal to 3. We can write it as an or tn, last term, the nth term as an or tn, or for last term we can write L. So, an equal to Sn minus 1, and we can find Sn minus 1 as, substitute n minus 1 for all n. So, we will get this as 3 into n minus 1 square plus 5 into n minus 1, which is equal to 3 into n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 5 into n minus 1. And this is equal to 3n square minus 6n plus 3 plus 5n minus 5, which is equal to 3n square minus n minus 2. So, Sn minus 1 is 3n square minus n minus 2. So, what is Sn minus 1? An equal to Sn minus 1, which is equal to, Sn is 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square minus n minus 2, which is equal to 3n square plus 5n minus 3n square plus n plus 2. And 3n square minus 3n square will get cancelled. 5n plus n is 6n plus 2. So, we got an or nth term as 6n plus 2. Now, what is a1? Substitute 1 for n. So, we will get this as 6 plus 2, which is 8. And what is a2? a2 equal to 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 2, which is 14. Now, a3. What is a3? a3 equal to 6 into 3, 18 plus 2, 20. And a4 is 26. a5 is 32 and so on. So, the AP is 8, 14, 20, 26, 32, etc. Find the AP. So, we have found the AP. Now, one more part is there for this question. Find 15th term, that is A15. A15 is equal to A plus 14D, which is equal to A we got as 8, that is first term. 8 plus 14 into D is 6. D equal to 6. So, 8 plus 14 into 6, which is equal to 8 plus 14 into 6 is 84. So, 84 plus 8 is 92. So, 15th term of this AP is 92. Understood? Next one, sum of three numbers in AP is 12 and sum of their cubes is 288. Find the numbers. Sum of three numbers in AP, that is, let the numbers be A minus D, A and A plus D. Now, sum of these three numbers is 12, which means A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 12. This minus D and plus D will get cancelled. So, 3A equal to 12, which means A equal to 12 by 3, which is equal to 4. So, the first term of the AP is 4. Okay. And sum of their cubes is 288, which means 4 minus D the whole cube plus 4 cube plus 4 plus D the whole cube is equal to 288. Okay. Now, A minus B the whole cube is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube, then plus 4 cube plus 4 cube plus, that is A plus B the whole cube is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square plus B cube is equal to 288. We can write implies. And 4 cube is 64. 64 minus 3 into 16, that is 48D plus 3 into 4 is 12. D square minus D cube plus 64 plus 64 plus 16 into 3 is 48. 48D plus 12D square plus D cube is equal to 288. Now, this 48 minus 48 and D and plus 48D will get cancelled. Minus D cube and plus D cube will get cancelled. Now, we will get this as 24D square plus 64 into 3. 3 times 64. That is 12. Then 19 plus 192 is equal to 288. Which means 24D square equal to 288 minus 192, which is equal to 96. So, D square equal to 96 by 24, which is equal to 4. So, we got D as plus or minus 2. D is plus or minus 2 and A is 4. So, the numbers are 4, 6, 8, or 8, 6, 4. That is, numbers are 4, 6, 8. Say, the numbers are 4, 6, 8. Okay, understood?